What's going on, insecticidal gang? This will be a quick one. I just wanted to come and give everybody an update on Hot Rod. So I had a couple people reach out to me asking me how this plant was doing since I repotted it. I know there was a big deal on the channel. And as you can see, it's doing great. I'm actually really proud of the progress that is made. If you just as a callback, last fall I noticed that this plant had developed a really bad case of rhizome rot. I lost what I would say 70 or 80% of the original rhizome to rot. By the time I caught it, I get the cutting and it's just nothing but mush. And I thought I lost the entire plant. As you can see now, when it's, back in full sun, it's a beautiful plant, which is why I did not want to lose it. And it was the first red Flava that I ever had. All of my Flavas were always green. I got this plant from Flytrap King. It came in beautiful condition. We just had a lot of, I don't know what happened in the collection late last year, but it happened. So nevertheless, it's back. I raised it indoors. I did my rhizome rot treatment, which I'll link that video. I raised it indoors over the winter. I ended up with 4 or 5 divisions and only 2 survived. This one was one of them, and I have another one. And as you can see, this thing is thriving. It's sending up pictures. The new pictures are bigger than the last, which is what you always want to see, that it's just making progress as far as growth. And yeah, this thing is it's looking nice. I'm loving it. Just wanted to come and give everybody just a quick update on it. It's got a lot of growth points packed into this one rhizome. It's and it's growing. It's got nice color, which is one thing that always attracted it to me. I wanted a red Flava, but I didn't know it would be this nice. Like, look how deep that red is. And then it's got the really, really green mouth. It looks a lot like whack-a-mole. And I guess you could call it the poor man's whack-a-mole, but it's my poor man's whack-a-mole. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that, and just show you that the plant is still doing great. No issues over here. And I'll see you guys next time.